Great. Okay, so next up we have Artem, who's the CPO of Waves Enterprise. There you are. He will be discussing the enterprise initiative of Waves and what companies need to implement a blockchain. Welcome to the stage.
Thank you. My name is Artem, and I'm a Chief Product Officer of Waves Enterprise. My colleagues advised me, hey Artem, go to the stage and tell a funny joke. People like jokes, but why? I am from a bloody enterprise. Why should I joke? No, I will be deadly serious today. Okay, let's go. First of all, let's figure out what differs public blockchain platforms from solutions that are intended to be used in enterprise sector. Historically, public blockchain platforms and networks were created to perform a digital approach to decentralized digital exchange. And truly, it's a phenomenal innovation in behavioral economics. However, it often diverts attention from the raw technological blockchain potential that is able to dramatically change all participants' operating principles. And norms and business practices in this market will never be the same. To achieve this, technology has to be in line with some set of requirements of enterprise solution development, such as access control, such as information security, and such as integration with other IT systems. And initially, these features were not written into architecture of public blockchain platforms. Therefore, a new class of enterprise blockchain system arrives, and a Waves Enterprise platform is that platform in Waves ecosystem. First of all, Waves Enterprise focused on a real-life business cases and existing customers. That underpins all of our research and development that is focused on practical adoption of blockchain technology into enterprise usage. We have modular encryption. That means that encryption can be used as a plugin, can be implemented as a plugin, differs from one specification to another required by a regulator or a company's information security division. And the range of encryption algorithm is currently being expanded. Unlike other platforms, Waves Enterprise offers configurable consensus. Waves Enterprise offers a choice between a least proof-of-stake algorithm, like in public Waves, and a proof of authority, which offers higher speeds, higher throughput. It offers quicker finality of data and is better suited for enterprise usage. It is vital to control access to the network, and it's very important to control rights to transaction validation and block creation to ensure the safety of the enterprise solutions. And Waves Enterprise platform provides such instruments. The next difference between public and private platforms is the need to have confidential transactions. Enterprise often faces cases when you need to share a document or private data between just 2 or 3 participants, not exposing the document to other network participants. At the same time, all network validators should acknowledge authenticity of the document and the fact of its being sent. We provide instruments, and let's see how it works. First of all, you need to create private policy. You need to create private policy and list there all participants of private data exchange. Then you need to save your private data or a document to a Waves Enterprise node, and it will be saved to a secured database. And then the node itself will push the hash of the private data to the blockchain. Other participants listed in the policy will receive that hash and request the original data from the sender of the encrypted document. Then will happen peer-to-peer communication between participants of that exchange, and data will be transferred in the encrypted mode. public and private blockchain platforms alike can use smart contracts. But in public platforms, we often face limitations, architectural limitations that don't allow us to use complex logic in public blockchain platforms. That limitations arrive when you need to execute smart contracts on all nodes simultaneously to validate the results of the smart contract. And that heavily affects the throughput of public blockchain platform. In enterprise, another architectural patterns are used for smart contract developments. In Waves Enterprise, we support Turing-complete smart contracts. We have chosen containerized technology based on Docker containers. A Docker is an isolated container where you can use, which you can use to execute any program code in isolated way, and it will be fully secured without interactions with the outside environment and the node itself. This technology gives a programmer possibility to write a contract of any complexity in any programming language. These smart contracts don't need any gas or other phones, and the execution is only limited by the computing capacity of the machine and the block creation time. As I mentioned earlier, integration is the very important part for implementation of blockchain into enterprise. And our platform supports different and wide range of instruments to integrate it into IT landscape. First of all, we have authorization service that you can use to integrate with corporate identity management system. We have integration bus based on Apache Kafka technology to integrate with corporate CRM or ERP systems, such as maybe SAP ERP. And we have a data preparation service, which you can use to index data from the blockchain and to transfer it to BI applications. We pay special attention to quality of user experience with our platform, and we created a built-in administration console for Waves Enterprise platform, which provides functionality of full-text search of any business data and non-confidential data from the blockchain, of course not confidential. It provides functionality of creating and calling smart contracts, managing users, managing rights of that users, and we have functionality of monitoring of health of the whole network. So the history of Waves Enterprise started in 2018 with a fork of basic Waves platform, and with implementation, the first feature, we implemented permission access control to the Waves platform. And now we have a platform perfectly fitted for the enterprise usage. We have about 25 different projects in different stages of completion in a wide range of industries: oil and gas, banking, retail, energetics, government, other organizations. Now we're going global, focusing on European Union and emerging countries in Latin America and Middle East. So stay tuned on our announcements, on our projects, and have a nice evening.